undergoes two additional processes. Out of them is one process an unusual nucleotide is added to the 5' end of molecular. What could you call this? First option tailing, and second is splicing, third is termination, and fourth is capping. Tailing is when annulate residue is added at 3' end is known as tailing. Splicing, intron are removed and exon are added is known as splicing. Termination is end of the process. Unusual nucleotide is added on the 5' end of molecular is known as capping. So correct answer is D. Microtubule are absent in first option mitochondria, second is flagella, third is spindle fiber, and fourth is centriole. Microtubule are absent in mitochondria. So correct answer is A. Is confined to a particular region and not found elsewhere is termed as first option endemic, second is rare, third is keystone, and fourth is alien. Endemic is a species which are not found anywhere else. So correct answer is A. Application of synthetic plant hormones like IAA, IBA, and NAA are best described as first option prevent early fruit fall before harvesting and is used to produce parthenocarpic fruit. Second is prevent early fruit fall. Third is to produce both seedless fruit and fruits with seed. Then next is to produce large fruit. IAA, IBA and NA are plant hormones which help in prevent the early fruit fall before harvesting as is used to produce parthenocarpic fruit. Parthenocarpic means the formation of fruits without fertilization. So correct answer is A. Correct order of stage of cellular respiration. First option Krebs cycle, electron transport chain, glycolysis. Second is electron transport chain, Krebs cycle, glycolysis. Third is glycolysis, Krebs cycle, electron transport chain. And fourth is glycolysis, electron transport chain, Krebs cycle. The correct sequence of cellular respiration is first glycolysis, next is Krebs cycle, and next is electron transport chain. So correct answer is C. Chipko movements was launched for the protection of first option forests, second is livestock, third is wetland, and fourth is grassland. Chipko movement was launched for the protection of forest. So correct answer is A. Known for his contribution to the understanding of first option transcription, second is translation, and third is DNA replication, and fourth is mutation. Okazaki is known for his contribution to understanding of DNA replication. So correct answer is C. Sticky end of fragmented DNA molecule are made of first option calcium salt, second is endonuclease enzyme, third is unpaired bases, and fourth is methyl group. The sticky end of fragmented DNA molecule are made up of unpaired bases. So correct answer is C. Inheritance of skin color in women is an example of first option point mutation, second is polygenic inheritance, third is codominance, and fourth is chromosomal aberration. Inheritance of skin is the example of polygenic inheritance. So correct answer is B. A man with blood group A marry a woman with blood group B. What are the possible blood group of their offspring? A blood group किसका है? मैन का. उसने शादी की ऐसी औरत से जिसका ब्लड ग्रुप क्या है? बी है. और इसके लिए हम पॉसिबल जीन क्या लिखते हैं? ए के लिए लिखते हैं IA, IO और बी के लिए लिखते हैं IB, IO. जब इनकी हम आपस में क्रॉसिंग कराएंगे तो क्या रिजल्ट आएगा? IA, then IB, IA, IO, IO, IB, then IO, IO. क्या आया ब्लड ग्रुप, ए बी भी आ गया। बेबी का ब्लड ग्रुप क्या हो सकता है, ए बी भी हो सकता है। और इसमें ओ को डोमिनेट नहीं लेंगे, बी क्या होता है, बी डोमिनेंट होता है, और ओ क्या होता है, रिसीव होता है। तो दूसरा ब्लड ग्रुप क्या आया, बी आया। और इसमें भी क्या होगा, ए डोमिनेंट होगा, ओ डोमिनेंट नहीं होगा। तो ब्लड ग्रुप दूसरा क्या आ गया, ए आ गया। और इसमें तो कुछ भी नहीं है, दोनों ओ है, तो दोनों में क्या होगा, ओ ही डोमिनेंट होगा। तो चौथा ब्लड ग्रुप क्या आ गया, ओ आ गया। तो पॉसिबल क्या है, जब हम क्रॉसिंग कराएंगे दोनों की, ए बी और ओ, तो करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा, ए। The total number of nitrogenous base in human genome is estimated to be about, first option 3.5 million, and second is 35,000, third is 35 million, and fourth is 3.1 billion. The total number of nitrogenous base in human genome is to be 3.1 billion. So correct answer is D. Which of the following matches correctly? First option factor, second is thromboplastin, and factor third is prothrombin, and factor 8 is antihemophilic globin, and factor 12 is hemophilin. Factor second is responsible for prothrombin, and factor third is responsible for thromboplastin. Factor 8 is responsible for antihemophilic globin. Factor 12 is responsible for Hagman factor. So correct answer is C. World Summit on Sustainable Development was held in, first option India, second is South Africa, and third is Brazil, fourth is Sweden. World Summit on Sustainable Development was held in South Africa. So correct answer is B. Which of the following has maximum genetic diversity in India? First option mango, second is wheat, and third is groundnut, fourth is rice. Rice have the maximum genetically modified in the India. So correct answer is D. Common characteristics showing by mushroom is smut and rust. First option is categorized by presence of basidiocarp. Second is categorized by presence of ascocarp. Third is all are pathogen. Fourth is all are saprophytic in nature. Mushroom, smut and rust belong to basidiomycetes, and their characteristic feature, they have the basidocarp. So correct answer is A. Synapsis is complete all along the chromosome. The cell is said to have entered I stage is called. First option zygote, second is pachytene, third is diplotin, and fourth is dikinesis. This phase is known as pachytene. So correct answer is B. Cultivation of Bt cotton has been much in the news. The prefix Bt means, first option barium treated cotton seed, second is bigger thread variety of cotton with better tensile strength, and third is produced by biotechnology using restriction enzyme and ligase. Fourth is carrying an endotoxin gene from Bacillus thuringiensis. Bt means Bacillus thuringiensis, which is an endotoxin gene. So correct answer is D. Energy flow is an ecosystem is, first option unidirectional, second is bidirectional, and third is multidirectional, and fourth is all of these. Energy flow is always unidirectional. Energy can be transferred from one tropic to next tropic, and this energy cannot be reversed back. So correct answer is A. One of the ex situ conservation method for endangered species is, first option wildlife sanctuaries, second is biosphere reserve, and third is cryopreservation, and fourth is national park. Wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere reserve, and national park are in situ conservation, and cryopreservation belong to ex situ conservation. So correct answer is C. What does the term reproductive isolation refer to? First option, an individual is unable to fertilize itself, and second is gene are not exchanged between two population. Third is individual from two population never mate, and fourth is individual from two population never produce offspring. Reproductive isolation means gene are not exchanged between two population. So correct answer is B. Plant decomposer are, first option Monera and fungi, second is fungi and plantae, third is Protista and Animalia, and fourth is Animalia and Monera. Plant decomposer are Monera and fungi. So correct answer is A. AUG code for first option valine, second is histidine, and third is phenylalanine, and fourth is methionine. AUG is code for methionine, and valine is code for GUU. Histidine is code for CAU. Phenylalanine is code for UU and UUC. Type of epithelial cell which line the inner surface of fallopian tube, bronchioles and small bronchi are known as. First option is squamous epithelium, second is columnar epithelium, third is ciliated epithelium, fourth is cubical epithelium. Fallopian tube, bronchioles and small bronchi are lined by ciliated epithelium. So correct answer is C. Coelomate triploblastic body with bilateral symmetrical is characteristic of first option flatworm, second is roundworm, and third is segmented worm, and fourth is mollusca. Acoelomate means which do not have body cavity. Triploblastic means have 3 germ layer. Bilateral symmetrical means body can be divided into 2 halves. Bilaterally symmetrical, acoelomate, triploblastic is the characteristic feature of flatworm. So correct answer is A. Which one of the following pair is correctly matched with regard to the codon and the amino acid coded by it? First option UUA valine, second is AAA lysine, third is AUG cysteine, and fourth is CC is alanine. UUA is coded for leucine and AAA is coded for lysine, AUG is coded for methionine, and CC is coded for prolines. So correct answer is B. Inflorescence of Liliaceae is first is actinomorphic, second is trimerous, and third is pentamerous, fourth is imperfect. Inflorescence means arrangement of flower. Arrangement of flower in Liliaceae family is trimerous. So correct answer is B. Which one of the following is the best stage to observe the shape, size and number of chromosome in a cell? First option interphase, second is prophase, third is metaphase, and fourth is telophase. Metaphase is a stage in which we can observe the proper shape, size and number of the chromosome, because in this phase all the chromosomes are arranged in a equatorial plate. So correct answer is C. Pick out the correct match. First option is sternum 14, second is pelvis 3, and third is ribs 20, fourth is face 5. Sternum is 1 and pelvis is 3, this is correct, and ribs is 24 in numbers, face have 14 bones. So correct answer is B. The Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act came into force in first option 1985, second is 1990, and third is 1975, and fourth is 1981. Air Prevention and Control Act was passed in 1981. So correct answer is D. The Cry-Due-Chat syndrome is caused by change in chromosome structure involving first option deletion, second is duplication, and third is transfer, fourth is translocation. Cry-Due-Chat syndrome is also known as Crat-Cry syndrome. It is due to the deletion of large number of small arm on the chromosome of fifth autosome. So correct answer is A. Product of the following: Bt toxic gene Cry-IAC and Cry-IIAB are responsible for controlling First option bollworm, second is roundworm, and third is moth, and fourth is fruit fly. These both genes are responsible for controlling bollworm. So correct answer is A. What is true about tRNA? First option, it binds with an amino acid at its 3' end. Second is, it has 5 double-stranded regions. Third is, it has a codon at one end which recognizes. Fourth is, it looks like clover leaf in the 3-dimensional structure. This is a correct answer which look like correctly matched by the tRNA. tRNA means transfer RNA. So correct answer is D. What is the first step in Southern Bolt technique? First option, denaturation of DNA on gene for hybridization with a specific gene. Second is production of group of genetically identical cell. Third is digestion of DNA by restriction enzyme. Fourth is denaturation of DNA from a nucleated cell such as the one from the scene of crime. The first step of Southern Bolt technique is digestion of DNA by restriction enzyme. So correct answer is C. In the Lac-Operon model, lactose molecule. First option, inducer which bind with operator gene. Second is repressor which bind with operator gene, and third is inducer which bind with the repressor protein, and fourth is co-repressor which bind with repressor protein. The correct sequence of Lac-Operon is inducer which bind with the repressor protein. So correct answer is C. Cri-du-Chat syndrome in women is caused by first option, trisomy of 21 number chromosome. Second is fertilization of an XX egg by a normal Y bearing sperm. Third is loss of half of short arm of chromosome 5. Fourth is loss of half of the long arm of the chromosome. Cri-du-Chat syndrome is a loss of half of the short arm of chromosome present in 5 number. So correct answer is C. Contribute to the formation of one of the following. First option, urease, and second is dehydrogenase, third is Rubisco protein, and fourth is nitrate reductase. Nickel contribute to the formation one is urease. Nickel help in urease formation, and dehydrogenase element is zinc, and Rubisco protein is from the RNA. Nitrate reductase is from the vanadium. So correct answer is A. Sickle cell anemia is example of first option, sex-linked inheritance, second is deficiency disease, third is autosomal heritable disease, and fourth is infectious disease. Sickle cell anemia is autosomal heritable disease. So correct answer is C. Hemophilia is more commonly seen in human male than in human female because first option, a greater proportion of girls die in infancy, and second is this disease is due to XY linked recessive mutation. Third is this disease is due to X linked recessive mutation, and fourth is this disease is due to X linked dominant mutation. Hemophilia is a sex-linked disease in which a patient have to continuous bleeding due to the loss of cascade protein. So correct answer is C. IUCN stand for first option, Indian Union for Conservation of Nature, second is International Union for Conservation of Nature, and third is Indian Union for Chemical Nomenclature, fourth is International Union for Conservation of Nutrient. IUCN stand for International Union for Conservation of Nature. So correct answer is B. Bone marrow is absent in first option reptile, second in amphibia, and third is fishes, fourth is bird. Bone marrow is replaced by a air sac in the birds to keep a body light and adapted to flight. So correct answer is D. Hemophilia B is caused by absence of first option clotting factor 7, second is clotting factor 9, third is clotting factor 8, and fourth is clotting factor 11. Hemophilia B is caused due to the absence of clotting factor 9. So correct answer is B. Satellite of chromosome is first option rich in RNA and deficient in DNA. Second is rich in DNA and deficient in RNA. Third is rich in protein. Fourth is lack of DNA. Satellite of chromosome is rich in RNA and deficient in DNA. So correct answer is A.